Hello, good evening all. I'm Vinu Kannan. I'm working in abroad as manager electrical department. I have an extensive experience in power system and electrical design. Today I want to share my thoughts on an excellent ETAP course available on learning portal. The course provides an excellent understanding on ETAP for power system modeling, analytics, and simulation. The lecture SP Yadav is well structured, covering topics such as load flow analysis, short circuit analysis, protection coordination, and arc flash analysis. The instructor presents the case studies and explains concept in clear and practical manner. The hands-on experience in gaining confidence in using ETAP for professionals. If you are an electrical engineer or consultant or a student looking to enhance your ETAP skills, the course is a must. It will give the bridges, or it bridges the gap between the theoretical knowledge and practical application, ideal for experienced professionals. So I would suggest do ETAP and enhance your learning process. Thank you.